Hello guys! Nagtataka siguro kayo. Anong nangyari sa vlogs namin? Bakit nawala? Bakit hindi na nagpapakita? Well, this is me trying to vlog again. Few months after my second baby was born, parang hindi ko pa din kilala ang sarili ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba talaga ang gusto kong gawin. My husband would give me the chance to do things that I wanna do, but I'm just so confused. Or maybe, marami lang talaga akong kailangan unahin. Nararanasan niyo rin ba itong nararanasan ko? Don't get me wrong, I love my two girls and I enjoy being their mother. Pero siguro, I still need time to really adjust and find myself again. After my parents left the UK, I met the real challenge of looking after two kids. No joke, mahirap siya. Iba pag nasa Pilipinas. Pero on top of that, na-realize ko, mas mahirap siya kung walang suporta na nakapaligid sa'yo. So going back to our question, ba't hindi ako nakakapag-vlog? Di ko alam, how will I do it if biglang may tatawag sa'yo, mommy, pero may kailangan ka pang gawin. Kailangan mo maglaba, kailangan mo magluto. Nakakatawa, pero this is my reality now. And this is the reason ba't hindi ako makapag-vlog palagi. You okay? Huh? Are you okay? Alam niyo bang, ilang ulit na din akong magre-record ng video, try ko i-edit or i-upload, pero i-delete ko na lang. O di kaya kakalimutan ko na, nawawalan ako ng gana. Gumawa na din ako ng isa pang YouTube channel, pero wala din ako ma-upload dun. Pero madalas sa mga quiet time ko, napapaisip talaga ako. Parang gusto ko talaga mag-create ng content. Kaya eto, again, bumabalik ako. I know it will take a while. It will take time. Sa una kong baby, it took me almost 3 years before ko na feel na I'm back to my old self. And as long as I have the support around me, I know I will eventually get there. Let's just be clear, guys, It's not that I'm not happy with my new life. I'm very, very happy. I'm lucky to have this life I have right now. It's just that, although it's hard to explain, itatry ko, I wanna feel or be interested in the things I was interested in before. Yung mag-vlog ako, masaya ako, yung may motivation ako to do things that I want to do, like I used to dance, yung ganun, mahirap talaga explain. But I know fellow mommies out there will understand me. So if you're like me, going through the same thing, join me in this journey in finding myself again. Until the next video, see ya!